Hello, hello. Good evening, Johnny. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear? Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, hello. Good evening, Johnny. Are you there? Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
teacher.
Hello, Johnny. It's nice to see you again. How are you today? How are you?
I'm good.
Wow, that's good to
I'm good.
know. And are you ready for our today's lesson? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we will start our lesson for today. So for this lesson, we are still at our unit 7 science day. But first, before we start our lesson, so let's have a review of what we have last time. So let's look at this one. So can you read this one, Johnny? Mm, Can you read?
Excuse me.
Then what we will say? Sure.
Sure.
Then thank thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, very good. So let's have a quick role play for this review. So you will be this girl and teacher will be this girl. Okay. So what will you say to
Okay.
teacher? What will you say to teacher? You will say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Wow,
How are you?
very good. So excuse me. So I will say sure. And what will you say after sure?
Sure.
You will say
Sure.
this one. You will say thank.
Thank you.
Very good. So for this,
Thank you.
very good, Johnny. So for this one, so this is being polite. Being polite, which is what we have learned last time. So being polite means being kind and respectful to other people. So we use these words, excuse me, thank you, nice to meet you, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. So that is the words that we use for us to be polite. So in other people, okay? So please remember this lesson that we have last time, okay? Let's us now go to our next page for our new lesson. Okay, so can you read our lesson for today, Johnny? What is our lesson for today? Our lesson for today is lesson 4. Let's say healthy
Lesson 4. Healthy.
habits.
Healthy habit.
Very good. So for our lesson for today, so we will talk about healthy habits. So when we say healthy habits, so these are the things that we do every day. Things that we do every day that makes us healthy. So that makes us good. Okay, so we will talk about those things in this lesson. Let's go to our next page. But first, let us watch a video.
Okay.
Okay, so can you hear? Can you hear the sound? Yes? Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Hi, I'm Nick. And this is my friend Sunita. We love the farm. I always wash my hands at the farm. It's a healthy habit.
Mom.
Everybody has healthy habits. I can wash my hands at home. And I can wash my hands at school. I wash my hands before I eat. I wash my hands after I play. Everybody has healthy habits. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm with my sister, Louise. It's time for bed. I brush my teeth before bed. We all have healthy habits. I can wash my hands. And I can brush my teeth.
Okay, so that is for our video. Okay, so let's go back in the video. So what do you see in the video, Johnny? What are the children doing? Or what are the health?
Wash my hair.
Very good. So the children, so they can wash their hands. How about the second child? What is the second child doing? She is brushing. She is brushing
She is
her
brushing her teeth.
teeth. Very good. So these are the healthy habits that this child has. How about you, John? Do you wash your hands? Yes or no? Do you wash your hands? Johnny, do you wash your hands? Yes or no? No? Johnny? Johnny. Okay, so Johnny, teacher has a question. Do you wash your hands? Yes or no? Do you wash your hands?
Yes.
Yes. Do you brush?
Yes.
Do you brush your teeth? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, that's very good
Yes.
because these are the healthy habits that we can do every day for us to keep ourselves healthy. Now, for this one, let's listen, point, and say. But first, let us
Page
listen.
70. Lesson
Listen.
4. Healthy Habits. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Wash my face.
2,
Wash my hands.
3,
Brush my hair.
4,
Brush my teeth.
Okay, so now let us read. So let's read the first picture. What is the girl doing? In the first picture, Johnny. She is. What is the girl doing?
Pay.
Wash. Let's read. Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Very good. Next. Wash my hands.
Wash my hands.
Very good. Next one. Brush my hair. Brush.
Wash my hair.
Very good. And the last one is brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Okay, good job. So now let's find out these healthy habits and let's go with our next page. Okay. Okay, let's look at our first picture. What is the girl doing? She is. What is the girl doing? She is washing her face.
Washing my face.
Very good. Wash my face. So for this one, when we say wash my face, this means we clean our face with a water. So it feels fresh and free from dirt. So washing our face so it helps our skin stay healthy. So for us people, so we need to wash our face because dirt might some dirt might come in our face, especially when we go outside. That is why after going outside, and for example, you as a child, after you play with your friends outside, you will wash your face for you to be able to clean your skin. Okay? So, do you wash your face, Johnny? Do you
Yeah.
wash? Yes, that's very good. Okay, so our first one is wash my face. Next, let's go to our next one. Okay, what is our second picture? What is the boy doing? It says wash, wash my, wash my hands.
Wash my hands.
Very good. Okay, so when we say wash my hands, it means using soap like this one. The boy is using a soap and water to clean our hands. So washing our hands so it helps keeps away germs that can make us sick, especially when we play outside. So after playing outside, your mother calls you to eat. So before eating, so we must wash our hands. So okay, so teacher has a question for you, Johnny. So before eating your food, what do you think do you need to do before eating your food? What will you do, Johnny? Before eating your food, what is the best thing to do? We will what we will do? We will wash our hands. Okay? What will we do, Johnny? Before before eating our food, we will wash our hands because it will help us keeps away germs that will make us sick, especially when we eat using our hands. So when washing our hands, so it will make our hands clean so that when we eat and have our hands in our mouth, so the germs will not be able to enter our body and makes us sick. Okay? So washing our hands is a healthy habit for us to keep away from sickness. Okay? So remember it is important to wash our hands. Okay? Next. Okay, let's go to our next one. What is the girl doing? This one. What is teacher doing? What is teacher doing? I am brushing Brush
I
my.
wash my hair.
Very good. So brush my hair. So when we say brush my hair, it means using a comb or brush to make our hair neat and smooth. So it helps our hair to be or to look like this, to look presentable to other people. So it is considered as a healthy habit because it helps us to look good or to feel good to other people. That is why we need to brush our hair or we need to groom or to take ourselves to groom to cut our hair clean. So that is one of the healthy habits that we can do. Next. Next one. What is our next picture? What is the boy doing? The boy is brush
What
my.
is brush my teeth?
Very good. Brush my teeth. Okay.
Teeth.
So very good. So when we say brush my teeth, it means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush or toothpaste. So brushing our teeth, so it keeps your teeth strong and your smile bright. So it also helps our teeth to keep away from bacteria or germs that is caused by the food that we eat. That is why, what do we need to do, Johnny, after eating? What do we need to do after eating, Johnny? We will?
Brush my teeth.
Yes, you will brush our teeth. So after eating, this one. After eating, we should brush our teeth so that we can protect our teeth from bacteria that we have from the food we eat. Okay, so brushing our teeth at least 3 times a day is helpful for our teeth. Okay. So, Johnny, do you brush your teeth? Yes or no? Do you brush your teeth? Yes? Yes or no? Do you brush your teeth? No? Do you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, we should always brush our teeth after eating, and especially in the morning after we wake up, and in the afternoon and in the evening. So, 3 times a day. Okay? Next.
Okay.
Okay, so now let us listen and
Page
say,
70.
then
C.
practice.
Listen and say. Then practice.
I can wash my face.
1,
Okay, let's practice this one. Let's say, I can wash my face. I can wash. Very good. Let's do this one. I can wash my face. Can you do this one? How do you wash your face? Like this. Very good. Next, let's say I can brush my teeth. Let's say I can I can brush my teeth. Let's say, let's read. I can I can I can what? I
I can wash. I can wash my hat.
face.
I can. I can wash my face.
Very good. Next, I can brush my
Page 70.
teeth.
I can
Let's,
brush my teeth.
very good. Next one, I can wash. I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
Very good. Next, I can brush my hair.
My hair.
Very good. Now let us practice. Okay, let's listen first.
Page 70. 1,
I can wash my face.
I can wash my face.
2,
I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
3,
I can brush my teeth.
I can brush my teeth.
4,
I can brush my hair.
I can brush my hair. Okay, now let's look at this picture. Okay, Johnny, what is the boy doing in the picture? What is the boy doing in the picture? What is the boy doing in the picture? The boy is,
Can brush. I
I
can wash my hands.
this, I can wash my face. So the boy is washing his face. Next, let's go to the next picture. What is the girl doing? The girl is, let's say, I can wash. I can wash.
I can wash my hands.
Very good. Next, let's go to the third picture. What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing in the third picture? I can brush. I can
brush my teeth.
Very good. Next, let's go to our next picture. What is the girl doing? I can brush.
brush my hair.
Very good. I can brush my hair. So now, let's read it all at once. Okay,
page 70.
let's read this first. Can you read this one, Johnny? I can wash. Let
I
us.
can wash my teeth. I can
Very,
wash my face. I can brush my hands. I can brush my teeth. I can brush my hair.
wow, very good. So fast. Okay. So teacher has a question. Can you wash your face? Johnny, yes or no? Can you wash your face? Yes. So let's say, yes, I can wash my face.
Yes, I can wash my face.
Face. Very.
My hair.
Can you wash your hands? Yes or no? Can you wash your...
Yes.
Yes, I can wash my... Let's say, yes, I can wash my hands. Yes, I can
Yes, I can
wash my hands.
wash my hands.
Very good. And can you brush your teeth? Yes or no? Can you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Yes. Let's say, yes, I can brush. Yes,
Yes, I can brush
my teeth.
my teeth.
Very good. Next, can you brush your hair? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can brush my.
Yes. Can wash my face or wash my hands.
Can you brush your hair? Yes.
No, no,
No? You
no.
can. No, I can't. Let's say no. No. Let's say no, I can't brush my hair. Let's say no,
No, I
I
can
can't.
my hair.
Very good. Next, let's go to our next page. Okay, so for this one, Johnny, let us
Page
match.
71.
So let us match the picture on what they are doing. So let us first listen. So listen closely, okay? So let's listen.
D. Listen and match. 1,
Hi, I'm Ellen. I can brush my hair. I can brush my teeth. I can wash my face.
Okay. Okay, so in the first one, Johnny, let's again listen.
listen and match. 1,
Hi, I'm Ellen. I can brush my hair. I can brush my teeth. I can wash my face.
Teacher,
Uh,
2,
yes.
teacher,
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
I don't have pen.
Oh, you don't have pen. Okay.
Oh,
Do you have
okay.
now?
Okay.
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 Okay, let us listen again. Okay. Let's go back.
page 70 match. 1,
Hi, I'm Ellen.
Number
I
1.
can brush my hair. I can brush my teeth. I can wash my face.
Okay, so for our number 1, so this is. Wow, very good. So now let's read. Hi. Let's read this one.
Hi,
What it
I'm Alan. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I can wash my face.
Wow, very good. So your answer is correct. So now let's go to our number 2. So listen, okay?
2,
Okay.
Hi, I'm Jake. I can brush my teeth. I can wash my hands. I can brush my hair.
Okay.
3,
Okay, so what will be our answer? So that will be our answer. So what is Jake doing? I can brush my
Can wash my teeth. I can wash my hair. And I can wash my hair.
I can wash or brush. I can brush my hair.
Brush.
Wow. Wow, very good. You are a good listener. So let's move to number 3.
Hi, I'm Luke. I can wash my face. I can brush my hair. I can wash my hands.
Okay, so I can wash my face. I can brush my hair. I can wash my hands. That is for our number 3. What letter is that? Very good. Now, let's read this. Hi. Hi, I'm Luke. I can. Can you read this one? I can wash my face. Okay, let's read this one. Hi, I'm Luke. I can wash my face. I can brush my hair. I can wash. Very good. Wow. So let's read this one. Let's read. Hi. I'm
Hi,
Luke.
look. I can wash my face. I can wash my hair. I can wash my hands.
Okay, very good. How about in the last girl? What is the girl doing? I can wash.
I can wash my hand. I can wash my face. I can brush my teeth.
Very good. Wow. Good job, Johnny. So I can see that you are really a good listener. So good job for answering this activity.
Page 70.
So this will be the answer. So okay, let's read it once again. So let's read. Hi, I'm Ellen. Let's read. Okay, let's read. Hi.
I can wash my
This one.
face. Can
This
wash
one.
my.
Letter
I
D.
can.
Brush.
I can brush my hair. I can brush my teeth. I can wash my face.
Very good. Next. Number 2. Hi. Hi, I'm
Hi. I can.
Jake.
I can take my
Page
teeth.
71.
I can wash my
Listen
hands.
and
I can brush my hair.
Very good. Number 3.
I can wash my face.
Face.
I can brush my hair. I can wash my hand.
Very good. For number 4, I can
I can brush.
wash.
I can wash my hands. I can wash my face. I can brush my teeth.
Wow, very good. So good job for this activity. So now let's move on to our next page. Okay. So now let us try talking with your classmates. So imagine, Johnny, I am your classmate. So we will talk about our healthy habits. Okay, so Johnny, what are your healthy habits, Johnny? Can you brush your teeth?
I can brush my teeth. I can wash my hand. I can wash my face. Can I can wash. No.
I can. How about the hair?
Again.
How about the hair? You can
I
brush.
can brush my teeth. I can wash my hands. I can wash my face. I can brush my hair.
Very good. Okay, so this will be for this activity. Next. Okay, so now let's look at the poster. So let's talk about what is happening in the poster. Let's look at number 1. What is the boy doing in the first picture?
I can wash my face.
Very good. So the boy is washing his face. Very good. Next, for the second picture, what is the girl doing? What is the girl doing in the second picture?
I
I
can brush
br-
my teeth.
Very good. How about the third picture? What is the girl doing?
I can wash my hands.
Very good. And the next one, our fourth picture. What is the girl doing?
I can brush my hair.
Very good. Now let's look at this one. Let's read this one. Look at
Oh, actor, where are these?
what
These
are
are fingers.
these are fingers. What can you do? What can you do, Johnny?
I can brush my teeth.
Very good. I can brush my teeth. Did you brush your teeth already, Johnny? Did you already brush your teeth?
Yes,
Yes, very
yes,
good. How about did you already wash your face? Yes.
yes,
Yes, very good. How about did you already wash your hands? Yeah. Yes. I wash my
yes,
hands.
yes.
Very,
I wash my hands.
very good. And what are the other healthy habits that you can do? How about do you take a bath? Do you take a bath,
Yes,
Johnny? Yes, very good. So
yeah.
taking a bath is another example of unhealthy habit. So very good. So very good that you are taking a bath. How about let me think of some healthy habits. How about sleeping? Do you sleep? Do you sleep?
Yes.
Do- Yes, very good. So, very good. So, sleeping is another example of a healthy habit because sleeping helps us, our body, to maintain its growth. So, very good that you are sleeping. So, good job. So, what are the other healthy habits that you do, Johnny? Do you eat healthy foods? Yes or no? Do you eat do you
Yes.
eat healthy foods? What are those healthy foods that you eat? Do you eat vegetables? Do you eat vegetables?
Vegetable.
Wow,
Yeah.
very good. So eating vegetables is another healthy habit because it has a lot of vitamins that will help our body to be strong. Okay, so these are another healthy habits. Okay, so for this lesson, Johnny, what are the healthy habits that you learned today? What are the healthy habits that you learned today? So we learned about wash my face. What do we learn about? Wash my face, wash my
Wash
hands.
my face. Wash my hands. Brush my teeth. Brush my hair.
Yeah, so very good, Johnny. So remember these healthy habits and apply it in your daily habits, okay? So that you will stay healthy, okay? Okay, Johnny. So this will be the end of our lesson, Johnny. So thank you so much for your active participation in our today's lesson. And bye-bye. Thank you so much,
Bye,
Johnny.
teacher.